I hope now all of you have joined. So, a very warm good evening to all of you. Today, we all have gathered here for the fancy dress competition. This evening, children participating in the fancy dress competition, it helps you not only to develop the competition. First of all, they should develop that competition skill of coming on the stage and to face the audience. But as you all know, because of this pandemic, we are not able to have as on the stage, but still our teachers have hard work a lot. So we have made it as a virtual platform so that the children can participate and can speak in front of audience as well. Today's evening is filled with lot of excitement, joy, happiness as the students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers about their various roles. Mrs. Neetu Yadav, she has prepared them so well, and that is what we all are going to see in today's competition. Today, these smaller ones of St. Paul's are going to make us all smile and take us back to our childhood days. So now I hand over to Mrs. Neetu Yadav. One by one, she'll be calling the names and you have to perform. Though I have put all your mics on mute, but as your turn will come, I'll unmute your mic. This drill we have to follow first of all. Secondly, I request all of you to please rename your IDs with your child name and class so that it will not be difficult for me and the teacher as well to unmute your mic. If it is by your name or any other name, kindly change the names and edit with the child name. So, Neetu ma'am, now I hand it over to you. You can start with the names. I would also, our judges have also joined. I would like to welcome Mrs. Rupali Sarkar for the judges' judgment today and Mrs. Chandrlekha Singh. Now, one by one, Neetu ma'am, you can unmute your mic.
Priyanka ma'am, thank you so much. So welcome, and now very soon I'll be starting. I'll be taking name one by one. So here we start from the first name, Aravi Sharma. Aravi Sharma as a clock. Aravi Sharma, can you hear me?
My name is Aravi Sharma. Thank you.
Maybe some network issue was there. Ravi, once again you perform, bache. You're not audible.
My name is Aravi Sharma. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a clock. I show time, 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 time. Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Thank you so much, Aravi. Next is Arush Chaudhary as a fire engine. Arush Chaudhary.
Good evening, judges. My name is Arush Chaudhary. And school name is St. Faustina Secondary School. And my name is St. Faustina Secondary School.
Yes, yes, carry on.
And fire engine. A fire engine rode in a vehicle. And a
Arush, you
fire
revise
engine.
again. Arish, you revise again. We'll come back again. Okay. By the time we'll be calling the another name. Another participant, ma'am.
एक लाइन रह गई। Thank you, ma'am.
Ayan Yadav as a Krishna.
Yes, ma'am. Start. Ma'am, start करें? बोलो बोलो.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Yadav. मैं कृष्णा वैसे संसद में बचाना है। Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ayan. Next is Bhanvi as a fairy.
बैठ. अब यही बैठा तो कहीं बैठ जा. अब यही बैठ जा तू देख ले पटा लिया. बैठ जा. है बाबा. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bhanvi, I can't see, ma'am. Maybe by some other name they have joined. Bhavishya, I can see. Bhanvi,
Bhavish
if you are
Chaudhary?
there, then please rename your ID because your name is not visible here. Rename by your name only.
सवाल से पूछ सकते हैं.
I think. Okay, next is Bhavish Chaudhary as a Spider-Man.
Bhavishya Chaudhary, unmute your mic.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Class S. My name is Bhavish Chaudhary. I LKG and class. I am a Spider-Man. I am a big one. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome, beta, welcome. Next is Gurupreet Singh. Gurupreet.
God Krishna is so powerful God. Thank you.
Very good, Gurpreet. Next is Love. Okay. Next is Lovely Raghuvanshi as a fairy.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Lovely. I am LKG class. Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating soga, no, Papa. Standing line, no, Papa. Opening now, ha, ha, ha. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, lovely. Thank you. I told you for fancy dress. You are reciting a poem. Chalo, it's okay. Koi baat nahi. Good, good. Next is Mohit Singh as a soldier. Thank you, lovely.
Welcome, ma'am.
Ma'am, Mohit
Mohit
Singh is
Singh.
not visible. Maybe they have just joined with some other name. Naitik, I can see. Naitik Pratap Singh.
Okay, next is, okay, ma'am. Naitik Pratap Singh as a dustbin.
Good evening.
एक मिनट
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Naitik Pratap Singh. I am dustbin. I am using garbage and healthy and clean India and India. Thank you, ma'am.
और फिर से मैम सुनवाओ मैम फिर से रिपीट करना है क्या
No, it is okay. Thank you.
Next is Nitin Singh as a farmer. Nitin Singh.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Nitin Singh. I am a farmer. A farmer is an important person.
बोलो बोलो
Important person.
नीचे कर ले इसको लगे बोलो
Important person. Every country, they grow crops in the field, work hard. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, Nitin. Next is Nitin. Can you repeat again? Nitin Singh.
रिपीट करो दोबारा बोलो शुरू स्टार्ट से नीचे कर लो इसको अब बोलो
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Nitin Singh. I am a farmer. Age and
I
बोलो
think some network issue is there. Dress and all is not.
Important person. Every country work hard. They grow crops in the field. Work hard. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, good.
Next. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Nitin. Next is Rishita Gupta as a Gandhiji. Rishita Gupta.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, all of you. Mahatma Gandhi.
नेक्स्ट बोलो पीपल
People call me Bapu. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Good, good, Rishita Gupta. Thank you. Next is Sanvi Chaudhary as a Dettol sanitizer. Sanvi Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am. Hello everyone, my name is Tanu Study. My class is LKG. I am well Dettol sanitizer. कोरोना से बचने के लिए सैनिटाइजर का उपयोग करें. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you, Sanvi. Next is Tarun Yadav. Tarun Yadav as a commando.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am. My name is. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Tarun Yadav. मैं एक कमांडो हूँ. मैं अपने देश की रक्षा करूंगा और अपने देश को हर एक बुराई से बचाऊंगा. जय हिंद. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, welcome. Good. Tarun. Next is Tej Khokar. As a doctor, Tej Khokar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Welcome, doctor. Yes, start.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Tej Khokar. I am a doctor. A doctor is very important in our society. Doctors are like God. Doctor treats in a hospital and clinic. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Good, Tej. Next is Tushar Chahar as a traffic light. Tushar Chahar.
खड़े हो जा, आराम से आराम से.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Tushar Chahar. Stop. Wait. Let me speak. Wait. Go. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Tushar. Next is Yagesh Narwar as a Krishna. Yagesh Narwar.
Okay, ma'am.
आओ इधर. एक मिनट.
Hello, everyone.
Start.
Hello, everyone. My name is Krishna. कृष्ण का जन्म मथुरा में हुआ था. कृष्ण, हम सब कृष्ण का बर्थडे जन्माष्टमी को बनाते हैं. थैंक यू, मैम.
Good. Yagesh. Very good. Arushi Yadav.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Arushi Yadav. My name is Arushi Yadav. I reading LKG B. I am a princess. Abracadabra too. Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Arushi Yadav, very good. Next is Gaurav as a traffic light. Gaurav.
आवाज सही से नहीं आने लगा था मैम के पास गई
Gaurav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Please, let us start.
My name is Gaurav. I am reading class LKG. I am traffic light. Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait, wait. Green light, what do you say? I say go, go. That's the light. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, beta, good. Okay, next is Harshita Chaudhary. Harshita Chaudhary
Yes, ma'am.
as a teacher.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Start.
My name is Ashita Chaudhary. Class LKG. Saint Senior Secondary School. Teacher. Hindi teacher. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Harshita. Next is Krishna Sikkarwar as an apple. Krishna Sikkarwar.
say hi yes say yes
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Start.
Hello, everyone. My name is Krishna Sikarbar. Red, yeah.
बोलो
Red apple, round apple, simply and good for health. Thank you, ma'am. I love apple.
Okay, good. Next is Nikhil Faujdar. Nikhil Faujdar as a soldier. Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. My name for the my name soldier and मैं देश की रक्षा करता हूँ जय हिंद थैंक यू
Okay, Nikhil. Thank you, Nikhil. Next is Rudrakshi as Miss India. Rudrakshi as Miss India.
Good
yes ma'am
yes ma'am
start
good evening ma'am and all of you my name is Rudrakshi Singh my class LKGB I am Miss India I am beautiful and smart you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. Next is Vaibhav Kushwaha. Vaibhav Kushwaha as a dinosaur.
Vaibhav is joining, ma'am. Just 2 minutes.
Vaibhav.
Unmute your mic, Vaibhav. Vaibhav, unmute your mic.
I eat green plants. I am green. I eat green
Plant.
green plants. Today I am
I am extinct.
extinct now. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. I think all the participants are over, ma'am.
Anyone
Over
is
to you,
left?
Priyanka, ma'am.
Bhanvi in the beginning was left. So if Bhanvi is there, you can raise your hand. Only Bhanvi was left. Or otherwise I cannot see. Or we can call for the video from her side. So this is it for the fancy dress competition today, children. And you all have seen that how our teachers are putting lot of emphasis on scholastic and co-scholastic activities, which are very equally important for the all-round development of a child. Actually, the purpose of conducting this competition was not only to blend the learning with fun, but also to develop confidence in the students by giving them an opportunity to get on the stage and speak something. It is not just about the creative costumes, but also about the way your child carries herself or himself and enacts the character. So, without wasting time, first of all, I would like to thank our judges for sparing their valuable time and joining us here in the evening, motivating us smaller ones. And I also request the judges to say a few words. First of all, I would like to invite Mrs. Chandrlekha ma'am to say a few motivating words for the smaller ones. Chandrlekha ma'am. Ma'am, unmute your mic, please.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, Priyanka, ma'am. First of all, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You are perfectly audible, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. First of all, I extend my warm wishes to the participants, their parents, and staff members present here. As we all know, fancy dress is a medium to show our talent and creativity to others. The participants who participated performed very nicely and efforts were very good. Well done, children. Keep it up.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now, Rupali ma'am, please say a few words so that they will be motivated as well. Rupali ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Priyanka ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, very good evening to everybody. And I'm very much honored, feeling very much honored really to means to be a part of this competition. And first of all, I would like to congratulate all the participants for their vibrant and colorful performances. And no doubt, I appreciate the hard work, the effort of the parents and students, of course, and our dear Neetu ma'am and Priyanka ma'am for putting so much of effort into it to make it a success. And one more thing I would like to tell that it's good to see a good number of students have participated. And I believe it's my strong belief that participation is most important than I'm looking forward all of you to see more performances, such performances, colorful performances from your side in future as well. And for that, I once again congratulate you for your hard work, effort, and keep motivating others like this, and stay happy and stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And as children, as ma'am said, participation is important. Who is winning and losing doesn't matter. The most important thing that you all have participated. Thank you so much, parents, for your cooperation. As it was a virtual platform, so moreover, you also have to work a lot on this fancy dress to become successful. Thank you so much, and thank you, Neetu ma'am, and love all for the smaller ones. Thank you, all of you.